walkthrough of an install for a rear tire carrier we made up for a customer, designed to fit in a 5th gen 4Runner in the rear hatch. One thing we're going to want to do when we start, we'll get the carrier, we want to set it in here right where we think it's going to go. Right here, underneath here, and back here there's a channel that runs through there. That's where we need to make sure our bolt holes line up. So that way we can bolt it through the channel and give it some more strength. So what we do is you're going to go from underneath and take your tape measure to find where that channel starts. And from there, you want to make a mark with like a paint marker or something. Then you'll do the same thing, taking a measurement where the channel ends, and then measure it out again with this paint marker. You do that for the same for the front and for the back. That's when you can actually line up inside your paint marks. And then this one is, you've got a little adjustment there, so you'll line up inside that paint mark. You'll mark it, mark it, mark it, mark it, and you're going to drill out all 4 holes to 3/8 inch holes. That's the size bolts we've got. Once you've got your holes drilled out, we've got 2 small bolts that have a big washer on it. Those are going to go on this side. This side because we don't have anything, no channel to mount to, so we're going to use this as extra support on the bottom side. When you do that, you want, if you're going to point your bolts up, you want this large washer on the bottom for the front and the back. And then both of these two, we use your standard size bolts that we've got for this side. Now we can look at the way we designed this strapping system to go. So you've got your strap. One end of the strap's going to have a loop on it. That's going to go towards the back. The other end of the strap will be just open for the ratchet. That'll go to the front. Got quick disconnect pins. Is how we're going to strap everything in. So you'll take your hooped end of your strap. Easy. Now if you need a little more room, we can connect it underneath the bottom like that. It doesn't matter. So there you go. Easy for the bottom, or the top, I'm sorry. Bottom, we've got our ratchet. It's got this here. It's going to do the same, going to connect the same way. Connect that just like that. So that way, once you have your tire in, you'll be able to ratchet strap everything down just as normal. One thing to note, this is a little bit more low profile than some of the other ones we've made, and that's because it's using a bigger tire, trying to fit it in where the tire doesn't actually just roll straight into the back of the truck. You're gonna have to put it in at an angle and then pop it back up once this carrier's in. And then that to note, once the tire is in here, this carrier, you won't be able to pull it in and out. It's gonna be stationary at that point.